In the previous video, we installed GitHub CLI and Copilot CLI. If you haven't set that up yet, don't worry, I have added the link in the description and up here in the I button. Once that's ready, let's explore what this new AI command line assistant can actually do. Hello friends, I'm Rajiv from Tech. In this video, I will show you how to use GitHub Copilot CLI right inside your terminal, how to get suggestions, explain commands, and even create quick alias to speed things up. First, open your terminal. Now type gh copilot -l and you'll see something like this. And here you will see list of available commands: alias, config, explain, suggest. The first one is explain. This helps you understand what a command does. For example, I'll type gh copilot explain. It is -I had till enter. Ever seen a complex git command and wondered what it actually does? Just use explain. Copilot breaks it down in simple areas. And here is another example. gh copilot explain. By C -n when p done it and dead. If you work in Python or data science, Copilot can even explain virtual environment commands like this one. No googling required. The second one is suggest, and this is my favorite. It's perfect when you know what you want to do but not the exact command. For example, gh copilot suggest install. So it actually teaches you the right command for your system. Next up is alias. This one lets Copilot generate cell-specific shortcuts so you can type less. For example, gh copilot clear. So it prints a few alias commands you can copy into your .zshrc or .bizrc. So you can just type copilot suggest directly without the gh prefix. And finally, config. It's for adjusting options like GitHub host or authentication. If you're working with enterprise setup, you probably won't need it often, but it's good to know it exists. So to summarize, use explain to understand the command, use suggest to discover the right command, use alias to speed up your workflow. Each of these command works on Mac, Windows, and Linux exactly the same way. And that's how you can start using GitHub Copilot CLI in your terminal. Simple and powerful. If you missed the setup video, go watch that first. The link is right below. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment which Copilot command you plan to use first. Explain or suggest.